And still trying to work on your scales, putting them hands together. So you've got C major and G major, and there will be other scales that you need to play hands together as well. So it's really trying to get to grips with the finger pattern. Okay, the things you need to look out for, you're all right with the right hand turn there and the left hand turn there. You're okay with your thumbs together on the C and C major, but what you do forget is the 4 that comes over in the left hand. So at the end of the first octave onto the second octave, you must turn the 4 in the left hand. Okay? The same applies when you come down the scale. When you come down to the end of the first octave and you turn, the right hand now, to do the second octave, must turn the 4th finger. Okay, so both of those turns, the 4th finger comes after the thumbs on your keynote, whether that's C major and C or G for G major, doesn't make any difference. The left hand coming up will be the 4th finger. The right hand going down will be the 4th finger. That's G major. All right, that's the first thing to watch out for. The other thing, which is very common that people do get wrong, is when you come down the scale to forget the left hand turn. You can't go to the 4 and then turn. All right, the 4 doesn't come there. The 4 comes next to your keynote, as I've just shown you. So when you come down the scale, turn the left hand after the 3rd finger. All right, watch out for that one. Okay, here it comes again, there. All right, I think the problem with the second octave is you just turned the right hand and then you forget that the left hand turn comes very quickly after that. So watch out for those two things. So that's the 4th fingers turning up in the left hand, down in the right hand after your keynote, after the halfway point, and then the 3rd finger coming down, the thumb coming down under the 3rd finger in the left hand. That's twice that happens. You've got a new scale this week, which is A major. A major has C sharp, F sharp and G sharp that come next door. Okay, so we're not doing that hands together. C sharp comes first, then the 2 black keys, then your keynote, which is A. So again, watch the thumb is on that keynote. That's a rule that applies to nearly every scale. Then just check out what happens when you come down in the right hand here. So once I get to the A, I start my second octave with that 4th finger, just as I was describing. In the left hand, once you get to the end of the first octave, here it is, there's the A, that's the second octave. So I put my 4th finger over in the left hand, going up the scale. And then again, remember, after the 3rd finger, as well as after the thumb, after the 4th finger, sorry. Again, be careful, after the 3rd finger, quite quickly that turn comes, so watch out for that one.